The dawn of a new year often brings a wave of optimism and promises of self-improvement. We set ambitious New Year's resolutions determined to transform our lives. However, statistics paint a sobering picture. A mere 9% of individuals who set New Year's resolutions actually report feeling successful in keeping them by year's end. This stark reality begs the question, why do so many resolutions crumble? The answer lies in the science of habit formation. We often approach resolutions with enthusiasm, aiming for drastic overnight changes. This approach is unsustainable and often leads to disappointment. Our brains are wired for efficiency, relying on habits, automatic behaviors to navigate daily life. Breaking free from old habits and establishing new ones requires a deeper understanding of how habits work. It demands patience, consistency, and a willingness to embrace gradual change. This essay delves into the science behind habit formation, exploring the reasons behind failed resolutions, and offering practical strategies to build lasting habits that pave the way for personal and professional success. Habits, often overlooked in our daily routines, hold immense power in shaping our lives. They are the invisible architects of our days, influencing our decisions, actions, and ultimately, our outcomes. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep, countless habits, both big and small, dictate our behavior. Think of habits as mental shortcuts, ingrained patterns that our brains rely on to conserve energy. When we repeat an action consistently, neural pathways are strengthened, making it easier for our brains to execute the behavior in the future. This automation frees up our cognitive resources for other tasks. In the realm of personal success, habits play a pivotal role in cultivating positive traits and behaviors. Regular exercise, for instance, becomes less of a chore and more of an ingrained routine when supported by strong habits. Similarly, healthy eating habits contribute to our physical well-being. Professionally, habits are the bedrock of productivity, efficiency, and success. Consistently organizing our workspace, prioritizing tasks, and meeting deadlines are all driven by habits. By cultivating positive professional habits, we streamline our workflows and enhance our performance. Understanding the profound impact of habits on our personal and professional lives underscores the importance of mastering habit formation. By harnessing the power of habits, we can design our days, shape our behaviors, and ultimately achieve our goals. While the benefits of building good habits are undeniable, the journey of change is rarely smooth. We often stumble and fall, grappling with the complexities of our own minds. The reason why change is so difficult lies in the intricate workings of our brains and the power of ingrained habits. Our brains are wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. This principle, deeply rooted in our survival instincts, plays a significant role in habit formation. Habits, especially those we've nurtured for years, provide a sense of comfort and familiarity. They are our brain's way of conserving energy and navigating daily life with minimal effort. When we attempt to break an established habit, our brains perceive it as a threat to this comfortable equilibrium. The resistance we encounter is our brain's natural defense mechanism, attempting to cling to familiar patterns. This resistance manifests in various forms: procrastination, excuses, and even physical discomfort. Moreover, many resolutions fail because they are rooted in external expectations rather than intrinsic motivation. We set goals based on societal pressures or what we think we should do rather than what truly resonates with our values and aspirations. This disconnect between external expectations and internal drive creates a fertile ground for setbacks and abandoned resolutions. Understanding the psychological and neurological underpinnings of habit formation is crucial for navigating the challenges of change. By recognizing the brain's resistance to change and cultivating self-compassion, we can approach habit building with a more realistic and sustainable mindset. Building lasting habits requires actionable strategies. Understand habit mechanics and align with our brain's wiring. Start small, think big. Focus on small, manageable changes. Consistency is key. Track your progress. Celebrate small victories. Embrace setbacks and learn from them. Find an accountability partner. Section 5. Unlocking motivation, the key to lasting change. Motivation fuels habit formation. Understand its science for lasting change. Connect new habits to a compelling why. Reflect on your reasons for change. Anticipate rewards to boost motivation. Create a supportive environment. Develop a system for fluctuating motivation. Consistent strategies lead to sustainable change. Section 6. The power of persistence, embracing the journey. Building lasting habits is a journey, not a destination. It's a process that demands patience, persistence, and a willingness to embrace the inevitable ups and downs. There will be days when you're tempted to give up, to revert to old familiar patterns. It's during these moments that the power of persistence shines through. Persistence is the unwavering belief in your ability to achieve your goals, even in the face of setbacks. It's about staying the course, even when progress seems slow or invisible. Remember that every small step you take, every time you choose the new habit over the old, is a victory worth celebrating. Cultivating persistence requires a shift in mindset. Embrace a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of berating yourself for missteps, view them as valuable feedback, a chance to adjust your approach and strengthen your resolve. Surround yourself with a supportive community, friends, family, or a group of like-minded individuals who share your goals. Sharing your journey with others provides a sense of accountability, encouragement, and inspiration. Celebrate each other's successes, offer support during challenging times, and remind each other why you embarked on this journey in the first place. Remember, building lasting habits is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, consistent changes over time that compound into extraordinary results. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and never underestimate the power of persistence. Section 7. Your habit journey, sharing your story. Now that we've explored the science of habit formation and practical strategies for success, we invite you to share your own experiences. Your journey matters. By sharing your story, you not only reflect on your own progress, but also inspire and motivate others. What habits have you successfully built in the past? What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them? What strategies have resonated with you the most? Your insights, however small they may seem, can provide valuable guidance and encouragement to others who are on their own habit-building journeys. Share your story in the comments section below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from each other, celebrate our successes, and inspire each other to live healthier, happier, and more fulfilling lives. Section 8. Beyond Resolutions, a Lifetime of Growth. As we conclude our exploration of habit formation, it's important to remember that the pursuit of personal growth is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's a lifelong commitment to continuous improvement, to becoming the best versions of ourselves. The principles we've discussed, starting small, embracing consistency, understanding our motivations, and cultivating persistence, extend far beyond New Year's resolutions. They are the building blocks of a fulfilling and meaningful life, a life where we consciously design our habits to align with our values and aspirations. So let's move beyond the limitations of resolutions and embrace the transformative power of habit formation. Let's approach each day as an opportunity to cultivate positive habits, break free from limiting beliefs, and create a life that is truly our own. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. Start small, be consistent, and never underestimate the power of small changes compounded over time. Your future self will thank you.